may only see a name on a piece of equipment, but it represents a legacy, one of intensity, expertise, and strength. Behind that massive steel, rubber, and circuitry are champions who champion you. People who think more about your challenges than their achievements, and find satisfaction on assembly lines rather than in the headlines. A world of dedicated professionals whose business is helping yours succeed. So that when you turn the key, opportunity is ignited, and nearly a century of strength and reliability springs to life. We are Hyster, and we are powering your possibilities.